Very good afternoon, dear students. Today we will see experiment number 2, a comparison of microstructure and hardness before and after annealing, normalizing and hardening in a medium carbon steel material. In experiment number 2, we use a carbon steel material. And first of all, we have to prepare the sample. In our machine shop, we used to prepare 3 samples. This is sample number 1, sample 2 and sample number 3. We will use to check the hardness of this material before the experimentation. So we will keep this material in a Rockwell hardness testing machine and will observe the hardness. So that thing already you studied in a SOM practical. Okay. So first of all, we have to check the hardness of all the 3 samples, and then after we will keep this sample into the electric furnace. We know the working principle of electrical furnace. This is that AC current is connected to the coil and it used to produce a rotating magnetic field, and just if you keep any current carrying conductor into the rotating magnetic field and this material will heat up. So this is the working principle of electrical furnace. So this material will heat up to above the recrystallization temperature. That temperature should be up to the 800 to 900 degrees Celsius. After heating this material, we will remove from the electrical furnace and we will keep these 3 samples here. One sample we will heat into the oil. Okay, so this is what the hardness. Okay, and now second sample we will keep at the atmospheric condition. This is called normalizing process. And now one more sample we will keep into the furnace, any compact furnace where the heat cannot be lost. Okay, and then after we will observe their hardenability. Okay, so how we are going to observe the hardness of this material? Again, after the experimentation, again we have to keep this material and to check the hardness of this material by using this Rockwell hardness testing machine. And just we will observe after the experimentation what was the before hardness and after hardness. So in this process, in 3 processes, we observed here annealing process, normalizing process and hardening process. In annealing process, we keep that sample in a furnace. In normalizing process, we kept this sample in atmospheric condition, and in hardening process, we dip this sample into the oil. And just we observe that the different hardness. So what we observed here, we get the more hardness in hardening process. We'll get some lesser hardness in normalizing process, and in annealing we'll get than that of with lesser hardness in annealing process. Into the electrical furnace to heat up to the temperature of 800 to 900 degrees Celsius. So you can observe here there are 3 samples we have prepared to perform the experiment on annealing process, normalizing and hardening. So we will heat up this material up to the temperature of 800 degrees Celsius. So it used to take more time to heat up because it requires about 6 hours to reach the temperature of 800 degrees Celsius. So after the samples are removed from the electrical furnace and we do the annealing process, normalizing and hardening. So first is the hardening process. We will dip this sample into the oil. This is the first one. Second is normalizing. We will keep this material at atmospheric condition. And last one is what? The annealing process. Here we will keep this sample into the furnace. And then after we will observe their hardness by using Rockwell hardness test machine.